Here are 8 supernatural signs that manifestation is coming your way. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Number 1 sign, this is huge. You feel like an expectant mother. Now, if you're an expectant mother, you know exactly what it feels like. If you're a guy, you may not exactly know, but there's a certain amount of excitement and nervousness. It's like the day or two before Christmas or before your birthday. You have the inability to sleep because you're thinking all the time. You know something is flowing into your life. Abundance, prosperity, money, love, happiness. It's happening. You're expecting it and you're excited and motivated. Sign number 2 is deja vu. Sign number 2 is deja vu. And so deja vu is when you experience something in your life and you go, wow, I've been here before. This has happened before. I don't know where or when or how. Was it a past life? Was it something that I dreamt about and it's in my subconscious mind? But when you're experiencing more than normal deja vu, that is a supernatural sign that manifestation, what you wish for, what you desire, is coming your way. Sign number 3 is dreams. And I'm talking about you are dreaming about a new life. You're dreaming about new people. You're dreaming about new locations. You're dreaming about love and prosperity and abundance and joy. And you wake up in the morning and go, why did that dream have to end? It's very exciting. You just know that on a subconscious level that you have something very big, I mean big, coming your way. And so if you're having more dreams, if you're having more deja vu, these are huge signs that what you desire, your manifestation, is coming your way. And it's coming your way soon. You are drawn to it. You are drawn to something. You can't get your mind off of it. We have a business that we haven't started yet. I've been thinking about it for the last 5 years. I've been investing in it for the last 5 years. I think about it. I wake up thinking about it. I go to bed at night thinking about it because I'm drawn to it. I'm excited about it, but I'm connected to it. It's part of who I am. And when you are drawn to a person, when you're drawn to an opportunity, when you're drawn to a certain way of living, and you can't stop thinking about it, this is a supernatural sign that what you desire, what you are manifesting, is coming your way, and coming your way quickly. So high flyers, years and years ago, I was expecting a huge check that was going to be deposited in my bank account. I was lying in bed and I was in that unique twilight space. I wasn't asleep, but I wasn't awake either. I was in that wonderful space and I heard someone say, Robert, your money is ready. Go to the bank. It's waiting for you. When I got up, I could still hear that. In other words, it was still resonating with me. So I didn't even call the bank. I went to the bank and the money was there. So when you are hearing instructions in your mind, in your dreams, in your waking, in your sleeping, or you're seeing instructions, follow them. This is the universe connected to your subconscious mind, and you're receiving instruction. And that's wonderful because the instruction, high flyers, listen, the instruction always precedes the manifestation. You get the instruction first and then the reward. That's how it works. Well, number 6 is synchronicity. Everything just seems to fall into place. You know, synchronicity is a weird thing because you can have an idea, someone else can have an idea, and you both have the idea at the same time. And you end up in the same place. When you tap into synchronicity, it's an incredible experience. But synchronicity can also tap into you. And so when you are having these synchronicity experiences, it means that manifestation, huge manifestation, is about to burst forth in your life. Number 7 is people dropping out of your life. Oh yeah, that's right. People dropping out of your life. Look, you have to make room for the kind of quality people that you desire to associate with, that you desire to spend your life with, that you desire to work with, that you desire to bond with. And so lower vibrational people will start to drop out of your life as your vibration raises and as your manifestation gets closer and closer. And number 8, you see other people receiving what you desire. You desire to, say, get married. And if that's your desire to get married, you all of a sudden notice that all of your friends are getting married. You desire to have a child. All of a sudden you notice all of your friends are having a child. When I was deciding the kind of car that we needed for our family, we decided on a Cadillac Escalade. It's a very beautiful car. It's a Cadillac. It has all the luxury you could ask, but it's also an SUV for the family, for my kids and grandkids and all that kind of stuff. So it has all that beautiful appeal, and yet it has practicality. Everywhere we went before we got the car, we saw black Escalades. We saw motorcades going down the street with black Escalades. Guess what color car we picked out? You're right, a black Escalade. That's how it works. This is supernatural manifestation. High flyers, if this has helped you, give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and click that bell icon because we are here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction. And remember, you are only one breath, one thought away from completely changing your life. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.